just tracked down the wife. She's in the goat house. Let's go and see what she's up to. Up the old apples and pears. Toonja, Tamalai.
เห็นไหมกวาดขี้แพะอยู่เนี่ย
Huh? Takajai cap.
ขี้คลีนเลยก็เช็ด
Oh. Oh, who's this? Hello, Sam. Doing here. And who is that? Who is that? Nam Oi. Nam Oi is a little girl. And what does Nam Oi mean in Thai? In English, rather?
Sugar cane juice.
Sugar cane juice. Yeah, Tony, if I give you the camera, you can get a better shot from down there.
Yeah.
Oh, I just noticed Sam's been protecting her kitty, hasn't she? She's lost the end of her.
Oh, she let you hug and touching.
First time we're allowed to stroke her. Look at that. She's just ready to kill me now, isn't she? Yay!
You have to sneaky pull her out under there. She ready to give another bird, isn't she?
She's still giant. Isn't you, girl? Eh? Sam Oi? No.
Nam oi.
Nam Oi is another girl.
Oi.
Oi.
Nam oi. Quicker. Nam oi.
Nam Oi. Nam Oi.
Not oi. Not เจ็บ Nam oi.
Nam Oi. Is another little girl. So that's one boy and 4 girls to date that have been born on the farm. I think we're just lucky. Super lucky. You know, even if it was a boy, we'd still be happy. But more girls we get, that's more goats in the future, of course. Sam didn't, she's never let us stroke her before, but now she's been a good mum, so yeah, very, very.
She got two more in there. Can't believe she's got single girl.
So our latest addition was born yesterday at 1 o'clock. We weren't here, but thank goodness we had a really nice guy that was staying on the farm and made sure that mum and the kid were okay, and all is well. So we let him choose her name, and I think he's done her proud. Lovely name.
Born in sugarcane bush, name sugarcane juice.
Yeah. Good girl, Sam. Good girl. So, how many goats is that now in our herd?
18 altogether.
18. 16 of those are girls. Brilliant stuff. But she's lovely.
She crying.
Yeah, she's crying. Oh, I'll get a bit emotional as well. Lovely girl, isn't ya? Oh, mum's getting a bit.
Sam,
yeah.
You need.
Very good size as well. Not like the other 2 little nibblers.
Look at this colour. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's the darkest brown we've had so far.
Don't stop me with your broken horn.
Right, I'm just about to move the mineral block for Sam. Some of you were concerned in the previous video when they saw Owenetta licking my legs. They do always have access to these salt mineral blocks in the house. Very important that you have these for goats. And a block that size, that lasts about a month and a half. So we always make sure they got those, and fresh water available when they're locked up in here at night. Look at that. She's a little bit off her food, Sam is, so we're going to let her out and let her have a walk round, and she'll go and eat the rubbish stuff that looks inedible outside. Hello, Nia. Get behind me, I think she's saying. She looks like she's going to smash you any second. That single spot on her belly.
Why is she not drinking the milk?
Well, she's got lots of milk to go. She's got lovely curly hair, hasn't she? Super curly. Good. Mum's not been crying much. Kid's not been crying much. Everyone looks healthy, very happy, and counting our blessings yet again.
She yawned again.
Yeah. That's quite hard work giving birth, isn't it?
You think she's gonna give another birth?
That'd be great. She didn't eat her after birth, but Toon wasn't here to grab it. So the monitor lizards have probably had that. If you watched the last video that we did, hang on a minute, my head's leaking, where we introduced the last 3 goats to the herd. 2 of those were a little bit under the weather. It looked like they hadn't been treated that well. So they're firing all cylinders now. They've got the medication, and it's all kicking in, and they're picking up a treat now. Everything's going really, really well. Still waiting for the go-ahead for digging the lake and creating Goat Island, but hopefully by the end of this month. Right, I'm just going to go in the house and wash the sweat out of my eyeballs. Catch you again soon, guys. What did you say to me before? It didn't sound very nice. Huh?
Clean the goat shed. That's your job.
I can't do it every day, can I?
Normally it's your job.
I know normally, but how many jobs have I got? You've only got one normally.
Well, I do a hard job for you yesterday. You might do this.
You only got one job to do a day, and you take care of your husband.
Yeah, that's right. What I do in there now? Clean the shed for you, no? For your goat.
Yeah, it's not my shit, is it?